Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your side hustle with Fiverr. Quick tutorial step-by-step clear. Start by creating a Fiverr account if you haven't already. Visit the Fiverr website and click on Join in the top right corner. Fill in the required details, including your email and password, or sign up using Google or Facebook. Once your account is set up, log in to access the Fiverr dashboard. Browse through various service categories to explore what's available. Identify the niche or skill where you excel and want to offer services. Click on the Selling tab to navigate to the section for creating a gig. Select Create a new gig to start the process of listing your service. Fill in a catchy title that clearly describes your offering. Choose a category and subcategory that best fits your service. Craft a detailed gig description outlining what you offer, the process, and what clients can expect. Include relevant keywords in your description to enhance visibility in search results. Set competitive pricing by researching similar gigs to determine the average rate. Decide on the delivery time for your service, keeping it realistic based on your workload. Add any extras that clients can opt for, such as faster delivery or additional features. Upload high-quality images or videos to showcase your work or explain your service visually. Ensure you have a compelling gig image that stands out in search results. Preview your gig to see how it looks and make any necessary adjustments. Once satisfied, click Publish to make your gig live on the site. Promote your gig through social media, personal networks, or online communities relevant to your niche. Stay active on Fiverr by responding to inquiries promptly and maintaining a high response rate. Monitor your gig's performance using Fiverr's analytics tools to understand what works and what doesn't. Make necessary adjustments to your gig description, pricing, or images based on feedback and performance data. Continuously enhance your skills and offerings to stay competitive in the Fiverr marketplace. Finally, maintain a positive relationship with clients by delivering quality work and encouraging reviews. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.